Hi guys, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we are filming a Q&A with my colleagues. How do you say colleagues? Colleagues. Yeah. And so basically I have some questions. Okay, not to waste your time. Okay. I have some questions on my diary. We'll be answering one by one. Okay, these are for all three of us.
Okay.
We want this video to be a bit memorable, so please answer honestly. Okay, these questions are not work related, but it's all about us. Just like that. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so the first question is, what was your first impression about each other?
Okay.
Okay, I'll go first since I have like written all the questions. First impression about Dhwani was she was a bit like talkative, like into things, like poking, like why is this? Why is this not this? Why is the AC not on? Why is this not working? Why is this not? So it's like you understand, right? What I'm saying. And about Shivana was like stylish. She was very stylish in the beginning. I mean, the first day when I saw you.
In the beginning.
In the beginning, as in like, so she had come for the interview and you had chopped off your hair at that time. And I was like, she's doing this all the time. I was like, whoa, man, this girl is like, do this thing. Oh. So that was the only word that I can come up. Okay, your turn.
Shivana's.
Whoever can go.
Okay. I'll go. So the very first time when I met Fizel, so she was barely interested to talk. She used to genuinely ignore me on my face, and I used to be like, "Acha, this is what it is."
Yeah.
And before that I've never worked, so that kind of experience gave me like, I think in future I will never work in corporate. So now my POVs are changed. Yeah, that time.
Okay.
And for Shivana, I took a lot of time to gel up with Shivana because these two were more, and I was like,
because you left like in the middle.
Yeah.
That was the time we connected.
yeah. And yeah, it took time to gel up with Shivana, but then I think post which things were really great. And now it is at different level only. And now she's going, so yeah.
Your turn.
My first impression about Fizel was that she was just like some person, like same like Dhwani, like the same impression Dhwani had about Fizel, like very quiet, doesn't talk, and but then like Dhwani was not there, so Dhwani was not there for a short while, I think 1 week that was.
Yeah.
So during that time,
She
me and
extended.
Fizel started like talking a lot. We went for tea together. I remember the first time we went for tea. Then we
Yeah.
started talking, and we pretty much bonded extremely fast. And yeah, so like now our bond is like on another level. When it comes to Dhwani, I remember like the first time I saw Dhwani, and I was just staring at Dhwani because she was like so pretty, and I was like, but she wasn't speaking, and I was like, what if Dhwani thinks like I'm some weirdo? But actually, I was just admiring her beauty.
That was the only thing that Shona kept on saying for like 2 days.
Yeah, I was like, oh my
Dhwani is
god,
very
this
pretty.
girl is so
Yeah.
unreal, like so beautiful.
Yeah.
And then over time, like me and Dhwani, and then I got used to Dhwani's face. So I'm like, only one day it was like only one day I was like admiring. After that, when you see people, you just get used to their face. So it's like nothing that special. Like, but then I was always sitting inside the cabin, and Dhwani and Fizel were always out, so they both had like a much longer time to like bond. But I was all the time busy and in the cabin. And but then slowly whenever I was free, I started sitting with both of them together, and Dhwani used to not come for tea.
I think
So-
you are the reason that we started talking, because she was the only person who was like, can we share our Instagram IDs and everything? Can I get a number? You.
Me? Oh.
You started the conversation into the picture. That's why.
Otherwise we
Otherwise, I was like, what the she's like someone like very pokey kind of a girl. Why is she having so much of questions about each and everything in the world? Like, just keep quiet and sit, no. That was my.
I was very curious because this was my first corporate
Ah.
job, and I wanted to understand things like, if not this, guys, I'll tell you one thing. There was this AC that was not working. I don't know how the previous colleagues survived here. The first thing, the first thing that I did was I replaced the AC because I couldn't survive in the heat. The very first thing that I did. So yeah.
So the next question, what were we wearing on the first day, if anyone? I know exactly what we were wearing. So I'll let you all answer first.
I think Fizzle is wearing, the very first time I saw Fizzle, I think she was wearing a traditional red kurta. And Dhwani, I don't remember, but probably something Indian.
Okay.
I saw Dhwani. I both saw you all on the interview day. Like she came in the morning, you popped up in the evening. So Dhwani was wearing a blue top with that white color, this thing, band sort of, and in the same jeans what she's wearing now. She was wearing. She has this very color theory psychology that goes on in my head 24/7. You were wearing that peach color top with
Yeah.
black trousers
Yes.
and that handbag of hers.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't remember that clearly, but I think the day when I came out for the interview, I think Fizzle wore that floral color shirt that she has.
Which
Yeah. Like a Georgette one which has floral prints, like the multicolor one that she wears one. It has white base.
I don't remember. I might have thrown.
No, I don't know, but I genuinely don't remember.
And Shona?
इससे तो मैं बहुत बाद में मिली थी. Post which when I
Yeah.
went there and I came to film.
Not on the interview day.
Okay, next question. What's the one skill you noticed in each other early on? One skill, huh?
Skill.
Like a positive skill.
Yeah. I noticed that Shona was a lot hardworking person. Like when somebody meets you, you can't notice that in the first go. But when you talk to her, it's like she's a very hardworking person. So you can get to know about that. Dhwani was. No, one skill. If you ask anything about business to Dhwani,
Yeah, sure.
then she's very sharp at that. So that's the only skill, and that's the one skill that very positive skill that I noticed early on.
अच्छा और कोई है ही नहीं.
है मतलब you have a skill of being lazy, annoying, and all. So did I talk about that? No.
Is that positive skill?
Of course, that is.
I think about Shivana would be, she gets panicked in certain situations, but she can handle it pretty well, and under pressure she can work well.
Yeah.
This I've noticed. Fizzle,
Yes.
she's good at most of the work that she does.
Ow.
I've learned a lot of things from her. Still, invoices are remaining, so that also I'll learn, don't worry. Yeah, but rest are fine.
Okay, your turn.
Dhwani is that she's confident and she's like well spoken.
That's correct.
She can carry herself well. I think that's very important if you're in a corporate or personal setting.
Yeah.
Fizzle, I would say she's very good at convincing. She's very good in speaking.
I'm
She's
good.
very confident, especially even if you like throw, like, you know, if you ask her some question which even she knows is the wrong answer, but she will tell the wrong answer so confidently that she'll convince you that the wrong answer is the right answer.
That's true.
Yeah.
And I think that's something that's a very good skill for both of them. So yeah.
What's the one thing you all misunderstood about each other?
You start first.
I misunderstood that Fizzle is a stone-hearted girl because she portrays herself that way.
How rude
But
is that?
deep down, she's the most softy person I've known.
Yeah.
Like she's very sensitive.
People do misunderstand me about that because Firstly, I'm very quiet in the beginning. Like I don't open up, I don't gel up in the first. Like I can't be Dhwani. I can't be like, why is this like that? Why is this? So I can't be like that. So yeah, it's the common one. And about Dhwani, what would you say?
With Dhwani, it is. I thought like Dhwani is all about herself, and like she's just like it's about her only. But then over time I realized
What do you mean about all her only? Is it
like
Because-
you're like usually you see like a very pretty girl,
Yeah.
she'll be like
So
all about
sometimes
herself.
pretty girls are like,
It's
I'm
a
a
mean
queen,
kind of
I'm
like-
Yeah, like mean, yeah. But then over time I realized that that's not the case, and that Dhwani is also like, she's like, when she's funny, she's extremely funny. So, and it is obviously good to enjoy her company, and she's not exactly. So these are like my first impression about these two. Obviously now how I think about them is like day and night difference. Obviously these two are like very close to my heart. As
Okay, the thing I'll go first. So the thing I misunderstood about Dhwani is the same thing what Shivana told, that because there are some situations which has happened in the past that made me believe that all pretty girls are like very mean and they only think about themselves and that they are the queen of the whole world and everything. So it's like that. But currently the situation is not that. Currently I feel like she's the most annoying person in the office. She'll be like, if she doesn't have any work, she'll come up to me, hey, yeah, ye karte hai na? Let's do this, no? Hey, we can try this, no? Or she'll be just sharing me some suggestions about beauty and like makeup and skincare and everything. So that is one skill that she does. Suggestions dena. Kuch influencers traits you have, like some traits of being an influencer. Like, you can try this. It's very good for your skin. Yeah. The thing about Shivana is that I misunderstood a lot that, as I said in the first impression one, that she was very stylish and this thing. But that's the most misunderstood thing. But like over the time, I came to know that it's not about being stylish or something. It's about what suits her and what is her personality about. Like she's very conscious about how she's looking. Is she looking presentable or not? She just wants to try on like that trial and error kind of situations. So that's the only thing.
Okay, my go. Okay, so for Fizzle it was the same as Shivana said. Fizzle is very introvert person. I don't know.
I am an extrovert person, but only to some
Selective
people.
people she is.
Yeah, so it's like that.
Yeah, and it was very difficult for me also to gel up with her because she used to take a lot of time and she was very ignorant also. I used to feel, yes, ऐसी क्यों है? She doesn't like me or what at a point I used to think, but no, that was not the actual case. Now I know what kind of person she is. I understood most of the things about her. Genuinely, she's good. And Shivana, starting में, to be very honest, मुझे बहुत बिच्छी वाइब्स आई थी कि ये बहुत ऐसे अपने आप में वो है, जेलअप करेगी कि नहीं करेगी भगवान जाने, किस एटीट्यूड में रह रही है. फिर जब मिली तो मुझे समझ में आया भाई वो सब एक परसेप्शन होता है जो फर्स्ट ग्लांस में जजमेंट आया था. वैसे तो बहुत बढ़िया है लॉन्डी. लॉन्डी इज गुड.
Yes. Send some rishtas, guys.
Yeah. No. Please don't.
not for Dhwani.
Not for her also.
Okay, so these are the main questions that we have finished. Second round, round 2. These are some of the things we have to point out to each other. Okay, it's like who is this, who is this, who is this. Okay, and the majority will win.
Done.
Done? Yes. So the first question is, who is the most organized? I think me.
I think me, even I'm organized.
Even she is organized. She is not.
Yeah, I didn't even know she is not organized.
Yeah.
That
You know, guys, she writes on paper and then she goes home and then write on her diary. It's like
That
that.
diary never.
Okay, next question. Who's the biggest overthinker?
I think I
You are an
mean, yeah.
overthinker?
You're an
In
overthinker.
certain situations, yeah. But I've learned
I don't
how
think
to
so.
not let it overpower.
You can compete with Shivana in this.
Yeah.
I mean, she overthinks like she can overthink the worst of the worst
Yeah, same
situations.
here.
Yeah.
Same me.
But she can't overthink the best of the best situations.
True.
It's like that.
Overthinking people के साथ this is one thing that they can only overthink the negative first. The extreme negative.
Yeah.
Positive they can't.
Okay. Who works best under pressure?
I think she. And even you.
I think me.
I can't work under
Both of
pressure.
us.
Yeah. Who's the most patient person over here?
After looking at Aman and Leenu case, I think Feezer. Aman and Leenu, I know Feezer.
Yeah, that situation I am. But the way she deals with,
Surge is different.
yeah.
Because I've never been in those kind of meetings with them, so I'm not aware. But I'm aware about her.
Who laughs the loudest in the office?
I think we can all agree.
No.
Yeah. So she is the loudest. Who do you think would be on a TV reality show?
Why me? Are?
You are like jab we met only.
I have a last question. Describe each other in one word.
One.
I'll go first. Okay. You have something to say?
No. One.
Shivana would be caring. Like, I don't know if you know, but you're very caring as a person. Okay. Even if she says something to somebody, she'll call that person and say sorry. Even if that's not a mistake and all. So I feel like she's very caring. Swadwani will be annoying. Just kidding. Swadwani.
This is too much okay to handle emotionally.
Dwani would be, she's very humble.
मेरे को कुछ लोग खासी आ गई बल
Eh? You don't think so? You're humble?
Yeah.
I am. I don't
then-
know.
I can see that. Okay, next. Who's going?
Jiwana.
I would say Dhwani is one word I would say for her is I don't know her name, but the jab we met the character
Geet.
Geet. That's all. That's Dhwani summarized.
Arey, but
And
tell in one word, no. What do you think? she is?
Fizzle would be kind.
That's what the word what I was searching for. That's not the word.
Okay.
Yes, Dwani. Say something good about me, okay?
Guys, it is very difficult to describe them in one word because they hold on to a lot of skills and the personalities are way too different. But yeah,
Please don't cry.
मैं रोने वालों में से नहीं हूँ. हम रुलाने में बिलीव करते हैं. But no, it's definitely not easy to describe them in one word. They are very different. Yeah.
So describe No, just say a word. We're gonna end this video in some time.
I think Fizzle is genuine enough and upfront with things what she feels. Okay? Shivana.
That is like a whole phrase she's giving a sentence.
यार शिवाना का एक ही फ्रेज है मटर पनीर पे फोकस करते हैं. I think I don't know. It's not just one word that I have to give them. Like
She's very calm, but Shivana.
yeah, she can stay calm in situations
Yeah.
where I can't. I
She is in stress sometimes,
Yeah.
and then she walks. So if you see her anytime walking, that means she is in stress.
plus also notice the speed of walking also.
Yeah.
That will clearly define if she is in stress.
But I feel like she's very calm and she can break down situations and then dissect them and then just.
Okay, इससे I remembered one incident. So for our some seminar thing, there was this hall that we had booked. Something happened, and I think sir was down here, and like me and Fiza, we selected the hall. We did things. We called in. Things were settled. She went to see the hall. That time also things were fine. Later, he told us that there's some kind of error, this and that. So
I think they increase the price.
Yeah, they increase the price of the food and everything. जबकि हमने call करके we had settled down things pretty clear with them. Later, she goes and she comes and she tells back, you know, this that happened. They increase the price. So in the panic situation, I called directly. I'm like, how did you do this, that, and all? And she being so calmly, she handled things. And my hype, I'm like, things I didn't.
Yeah. So she
yeah.
can remain calm in some situations.
Yeah. It's very difficult. Even I can remain calm, but very selective situations where I'm just.
I don't see you calm, but
You have to see me when I'm calm.
I don't actually see you calm when you sit like beside me.
Okay, I have to go, okay?
Okay, we're gonna end this video right here.
Bye,
Bye everyone.
guys.